Hi guys, welcome back. If you want to protect your USB pen drive so that no one can copy, modify or delete files from it, this video is for you. Today I will show you how to make a USB drive read-only in Windows 11 using simple built-in method. No software required. So let's get started. Before we begin, let me quickly explain what read-only means. When a USB drive is read-only, you cannot copy files to the USB. You cannot delete or modify existing files, but you can still open and copy files from the USB. So first I am going to show you how to make a USB pen drive read-only using a command prompt, which is the easiest and most reliable method. So first connect your USB pen drive to your Windows 11 PC, then click on Start and type CMD. Right click on the command prompt and select Run as Administrator. Once the command prompt window will open, you need to type DiskPart and press enter. This will launch the DiskPart utility. Then type list disk. This will display all the drives connected to your PC. Here you need to identify your USB drive from the list based on its size. And you can see I am using this 4 GB USB drive, that is drive 2. So once you have identified it, type select disk 2 and press enter. Now type attributes disk set read only and press enter. And see, disk attribute set successfully. This means your USB drive is now write protected. Now type exit and press enter to exit from the DiskPart. After that, close command prompt and check if the write protection has been successfully applied to the USB drive. So open File Explorer and try copying a file to the USB drive. As you can see, it fails. Now try deleting a file from the USB drive, and this time delete option is not visible over here. But when you try to copying a file from the USB drive to your computer, you see it works perfectly. That means your USB pen drive is now successfully set to read only. Let me show you one more method, and this time we will use the Registry Editor. So press Windows plus R on your keyboard to open the Run dialog box and type regedit and press enter to open the Registry Editor. In the Registry Editor window, go to the H key local machine and expand it. Now expand system. Then look for current control set and expand that as well. Next click on control. Here you need to check whether a key name storage device policies is available. If you don't see a key name storage device policies, you will need to create one. Right click on control and select new key and name the new key storage device policies. With the storage device policies key selected, right click on the right hand side panel and choose new dword 32-bit value and name this new dword as write protect. Then double click on the write protect dword and set its value to 1 and click OK to save the changes. Then close the Registry Editor and restart your computer. Please note, this registry method does not lock a specific pen drive. It applies write protection to all USB storage device connected to this PC, including future USB as well. Okay. Now let me show you one more powerful method using Group Policy Editor. This method not only makes the USB read-only but also completely restrict copying files from the USB drive also. So once again press Windows plus R on your keyboard and type gpedit.msc and press enter. When the Group Policy Editor opens, go to the computer configuration. Now expand administrative templates, then open system. After that, look for removable storage access and click on it. On the right hand side, you need to find removal disk deny write access. Then double click on it and select it enable and click apply and OK. And in the same way, double click on removable disk deny read access and same way select enable and click apply and OK. Again, you need to double click on removable disk deny execute access and select enable and apply and OK. Once all three policies are enabled, close the Registry Editor Now your USB drive is completely restricted. You cannot copy files to the USB, and you also cannot copy files from the USB. So this is how you can easily make a USB pen drive read-only in Windows 11 using 3 different methods. So just choose the one that works best for your situation. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.